Everybody back in the car.
Woo! 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 That is lovely. Oh! Pow! There's some idiots screaming in the back road, by the way. That's not us. Ooh! Quiet! Oh.
Wow.
Excuse the screaming, please. They're just idiots in the background.
They like it.
Oh God, this is a big one. Oh!
Whoa!
These people need to learn how to shut up.
Shh.
Oh!
I'm gonna move up a little.
Okay. Can I introduce myself now?
Shh. No, I'm not going to.
Whoa! That
looks like a. What did that even look
swirly
like?
shape. Oh, here comes more. And boom!
Can you not say doom, please?
Feels like 4th of July. Ooh. Lovely.
It isn't 4th of July. It's just.
Whoa! My favorite colors. Oh, can I introduce myself now?
I'll probably know that you're already
You
here.
have to say like, hey, this is Metro King 192, by the way.
Wow!
That was big. At least the idiot stopped screaming a little. Whoa! That
one was
That
big.
one was lovely.
That one. Oh, there we go.
Here we go. Oh! 2 stages.
I believe that was a.
Oh! Pick one.
Oh, here we go. Now we're really getting started.
Now that's what I call awesome. Someone's key. Excuse that interruption, please.
Oh,
Whoa!
that was a huge. Big boy.
I hope an airplane doesn't fly into these things.
Oh, that one was bright.
2 stages. Oh my gosh. It looks so little.
Wow, this is the best.
I can't wait to watch this video.
Wow, that one was
the
huge.
large. Oh, I love those little After Effect thingamajigs. They're
Yeah,
my
I like
favorite.
those
Those
too.
are my favorite because they make that sound.
There we go.
Oh! Abby! Whoa! And then look, it's shimmering. Actually, it's not shimmering, but it sometimes shimmers. Oh! You getting this?
Yep. Certainly am, Airtran lover.
Of course, Metro King 192. Right. Excuse my talking.
You can go in front of it now.
I'll make an announcement in a second when it's over.
Wow!
That one is my favorite.
At the end,
At the end, I will make an announcement.
I'll just say this was involved.
Make an announcement.
Wow!
Ooh, super
At the
bright.
end of the display.
Yeah, at the end of the display.
Whoa!
Oh,
That one was a big boy. Oh, there we go. Big boy. Oh, triple. I love these 3 guys. I love those 3 when they shoot off 3 at once.
Look, I love the
Oh, yeah.
train. The train's my favorite. It's when they all go following each other. But the smoke looks like Daddy Longlegs in the sky. Oh! Let's see what this one is.
Wow. Whoa.
I love that. Oh,
Woo.
lovely. Oh.
There goes the triple.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
2. There's a double.
As they fly up. Are you catching them as they fly up?
Oh, there we go. Big boy going upstairs.
Woo-hoo! Oh, it's shimmering. That was a shimmer.
Oh, I think that's a big boy. Oh, big boy.
Oh,
have to say that anymore.
Okay, I'll try not to.
There we go!
Woo!
Woo!
They're shimmering at the end. They look like shooting stars.
Actually,
Oh, that's a thick one. That sounds wrong.
Whoa!
This is lovely.
Oh, there we go!
3, going upstairs! I can't wait till we watch this. Woo! 1, 2, 3. It's the train. 4. Woo!
Oh, I love those!
Those are pretty.
Ah, there we go!
All of it. Mostly all of it. And catch them flying up. Oh, here we go, more. Boom!
All right, big boy, right there.
Up 2, going upstairs.
There we go!
Right. Focus camera.
Oh, there we go, big boy, going upstairs!
Oh!
Ah, there we go!
Boom!
You could stop saying boom.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll make an announcement at the end.
Oh! You can talk, just don't say boom, okay?
Wow. Love it. Oh,
This is gonna go on YouTube.
look. Oh, my favorite effect.
There we go!
Oh!
Woo!
Wow.
Oh, there we go! Oh!
Large.
There we go!
Upstairs! The one on the top was pretty. My favorite effect.
Ah, there we go!
Go upstairs! Alright. Woo! I hope it shimmers. Never mind, it didn't today. Focus camera. Up 3.
There we go! Ah, there we go! Big boy, going upstairs!
Oh, wow! This is so much fun, Metro King 192.
Woo!
Oh, I love those. I call it that the star box because it looks like a big box of stars blowing up. Triple! Going upstairs! Oh! Wow.
You know, one year they had to cancel it because of the winds.
No, they can't do that. Wow.
But not this year. The winds aren't that bad.
Oh my goodness, that is lovely.
Oh, yeah!
Oh,
Screamers!
the streamers are lovely. I haven't seen streamers in years. That
Whoa!
looks like a hoop. Like a weird.
Oh!
I can see them laying them on. Oh! Yeah, now we're really talking.
That was a ground
They're
bomb down
shimmering!
there.
They're shimmering!
That one down there was a ground bomb.
I saw that.
Oh!
King 182. Oh my god! Woo! Shimmering! Boom, boom, boom.
Oh yeah.
Going upstairs! Oh, that one looks cool.
That one was loud too.
Yeah, I like the hoop ones are very loud.
Yeah, but the regulars, not so much.
No,
Oh, there we go. Going upstairs, big boy.
Oh my goodness! This is so lovely. How do we know when it's over?
Wow.
How do you know when the grand finale is going on?
You'll know.
Announce when the grand finale is going on. Going upstairs! Another.
Oh, I love those.
Those are lovely.
Oh, there we go. We're getting started. Oh, there we go, big boy.
Going upstairs! Oh! That one was large.
That's what they call them, big boys.
Going upstairs?
Oh, there we go.
You're saying there we go a lot. Right. Going upstairs! High up! Oh!
Big boy.
Shimmer!
Oh, big boy.
Up! 2 big boys going upstairs! Yeah, going up!
Yeah.
I wonder if one of them will take,
That
I
was-
wonder if one of them will take the elevator, like the one in the front. Oh!
Ah, there we go. We got ourselves a show.
Yeah, this is what I call a show, right, Metro King 182?
You betcha.
Woo!
Woo.
We're coming up!
There we go.
Oh! My favorite sound! most of it?
I got a film and everything.
Oh, great! You're seeing
Where did? Oh, big boys!
taking the elevator all the way up.
Oh wow, this is great.
Shimmering.
Sounds like rain. That kind of sounds like rain,
Here we
right?
go. Stop! I got it.
That kind of sounds like rain, right? Those?
Yep. Of course.
Oh, there we go.
You're saying there we go a lot, Metro King 192.
Yeah, it's because they're going. Woo!
So
I'm gonna move back. There we go. Wah!
La 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 la.
Woo! Wow!
All of this is gonna be a great video.
This-
3 guys going upstairs. Zoom all the way in. Well, actually,
Woo!
woohoo! Big boys going upstairs.
This is it! This is it! This is the grand finale!
Grand finale. Beluga. Woohoo!
Hey, there's an after effect. They're not done after this. Woo!
Wow.
Now we're talking!
This is my favorite part.
Now we're talking! Woo! Now we're talking!
And then we got all these.
Woo!
Those guys are so loud.
Yeah!
I can't.
Woo!
I can't.
Yeah!
Hey guys, you remember me? It's Air Trend Lover. This has been a video of Metro King 192's. This is Metro King 192's best video.